Looking for the best design ideas? Watch this video to find out.
Displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are the first time here and you love design, subscribe and turn on notifications.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Do you want your friends to be impressed by visiting your place? We have developed a document containing all the important information you need to know before designing your house. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
His senses and time perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
Check out our other videos. Thanks for tuning in. Check out designercheatsheet.com for useful tips and free stuff.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.